What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to bump start your motorcycle. Let's go. So this has probably already happened to you, and if it hasn't, I guarantee you that sometime it will. You'll be walking out of a store or somewhere where you'd parked the bike. You'll come up to it, switch the ignition on, kill switch to the run position, and then start, and you hear this. Yes, your battery is dead. So there's two options. You can either call a recovery truck and sit and wait for it to come and pick you and your bike up and take you to change your battery, or you can bump start your bike and ride your bike there to change your battery. Let me show you how it's done. Okay guys, so here are the steps. First of all, you're going to switch your ignition on. Then you're going to put your kill switch in the run position. And then I prefer to do this in second gear. On this bike, it's a bit challenging to put it into second if the bike is stationary and it's off. The way to overcome this is to roll the bike forward or backwards until you hit second gear. Let me try and do that now. Okay, so now it's in second gear. We're all set. The next thing you're going to do is get off the bike and run with it as fast as you can, and then hop onto the bike and dump the clutch. Once the bike starts, you're going to pull the clutch back in. Let me give you a demo. Alright guys, so I'm off the bike, clutch is in, it's in second gear, ignition's on, kill switch is in run position. Here we go, let's give this a shot. There you go. I'm going to do this again, and I'm going to show you with the camera on board so you can see what my hands are doing as and when I hop onto the bike. Let's go. So this is how you do it. For those that find it difficult because the bike is heavy and they're unable to run and hop on for whatever reason, you can always, if there's someone around or if there's a friend with you, you can get on the bike, put it in second, do everything else as we said, and have them push you, and then bump start. Or if you can find a slope, even better, you could just glide down the slope, do the same exact thing, dump the clutch, bike will start. You'll be able to ride back or take the bike to wherever it needs to be fixed and your battery replaced. So that's it. That's how you bump start your motorcycle. It's a very useful thing to know because it can get you out of a lot of trouble, especially if you're stranded somewhere and you need to start your bike. If you liked this video and found it useful, please like, share, subscribe. I'm going to be uploading a lot more tutorials on motorcycle riding, especially for beginners. So please stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions regarding the bump start, please leave a comment below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a good day.